So now since morning we don't do they clean this place. My mates they don't even come out safe. They wait for motor. They can't carry everything come out.
Wow, that's good. So where are you from?
Where are you from?
Yes.
I'm from Edo State.
Edo State. Okay, interesting. So what is your name?
My name?
Yes, your name.
My name na Ovuvwe Ugbemubem Osas.
Pardon? Come again.
Ovuvwe Ugbemubem Osas.
I mean, what is your name? Your name? How far?
Now my name I call for you now.
Tell it again.
Ovuvwe Ugbemubem Osas.
Spell them.
I don't know if you spell them.
That be your name. I don't know if you spell them.
If you don't say we no go school now. If you help me spell them.
Okay. I come again. I help you spell them.
Ugbemubem Osas.
Jesus. I want to spell it for you.
Ugbemubem Osas.
Where was that from?
Simple. It's very simple now.
Where was that from?
Why they cry now?
Call him again.
I know they make you cry.
Call him again.
How many times I will call the name for you now? The person spell them before say they very easy.
You wicked.
Ordinary
Leave my camera.